What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be discussing Note 10 versus Note 10 Plus. Which one should you get? Stay tuned. So, should you get the Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus? I'm going to go down the specs on both phones. I'm going to give you my opinion on which one should you get. Alright, so when it comes down to the Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus, there's going to be a lot of difference, big difference, my opinion. So let's go down the specs and I'm going to explain to you which one, I'm going to give you my opinion, which one you should get. Alright, Note 10 is going to be a 6.3 AMOLED display with 1080p resolution. Note 10 Plus is going to be 6.8 with a resolution of 1440p. So the Note 10 is gonna be 401 ppi with versus the Note 10 Plus is gonna be 498 ppi. Both is gonna have HDR10 plus. Can you tell the difference in the resolution? Maybe, maybe not. It depends on your eyes. Both of them gonna come to the US with Snapdragon 855. I wish they would have came to the US with the 9825 Exynos processor, but it is what it is. It's gonna have a GPU with a 640. All right. The Note 10 in the US is gonna have 8 gigs. The Note 10 Plus is gonna have 12 gigs in the US. The Note 10 and 5G, the Note 10 5G is gonna have the 12, but is only in Korea, so scratch that. Storage, Note 10 is gonna have 256. The Note 10 Plus is gonna have 256 or 512. Big deal is gonna be the storage. The Note 10 is not gonna have a SD storage, but the Note 10 Plus is gonna have a SD storage. Both of them is gonna have the brand new UFS 3.0. That means that it's gonna copy and write faster than other previous phones. Camera wise, the main three ones, they both gonna have the same, but the Note 10 Plus is gonna have an additional, what is it? Have the dual megapixel focus and an extra field of depth. Something that you just gotta use so you can see the difference. Most of the time you can, but most of the time you don't. It depends what kind of picture you take. Both is gonna have the same kind of front facing camera, which is 10 megapixel. Both of them is not gonna have headphone jack. They killed the headphone jack with the Note. A lot of people are very disappointed in that. It is what it is. We're going towards the future. Not bad, but I wish they would have had it. The Note 10 is gonna have a 3500 milliamp battery. The Note 10 Plus is gonna have a 43 milliamp battery. Okay. Reversible charging for the Note 10 is gonna be 12. For the Note 10 Plus is gonna be 15, which is a big deal. On top of that, fast charging for the Note 10 is gonna be 25, and for the Note 10 Plus is gonna be in the box is gonna be 25. But if you buy the aftermarket ones, you're gonna be able to charge your phone at 45, which is crazy. So that basically means almost, I was reading somewhere that from 0 to 60 is gonna take you I think it's like an hour and 10 minutes. That's a big battery for charging that fast, which is cool. Both of them gonna have face recognition and fingerprint sensor. We knew that coming. Both of them gonna be shipped out with the Note 10. Android Pie 9 and Samsung One UI, which is pretty dope, pretty cool. Note 10 is gonna come out to starting price at $950. The Note 10 Plus is gonna be basically $1,100. So I'm gonna give you my opinion. Both of them is gonna come out in August 23. So pre-order now. My opinion on both phones is for $150 difference, I would just go get the Note 10 Plus. Being honest, everything that you're getting with the Note 10 Plus it's worth it. You're gonna have an SD card. You're gonna have better picture sensors on your phone, a lot bigger, about 5 inches if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 5 inches bigger. So you're gonna see the difference. Resolution is gonna be 1440p. 12 gig of RAM. You could choose what size of a storage you get, 256 or 512, with the SD slot there that you could put a memory card up to 1 terabyte. I don't know who's gonna do that because I don't know. If you do, if you don't, it's alright. It's all good. I think another 500 you should be good. So if you get the 512 gigabytes with another SD card, 512 gigabytes, you have a terabyte phone. Me personally, I'm getting the Note 10 Plus. It makes a lot of sense. A lot of sense. It's gonna make sense for the Note if the Note comes out and a month later is around the same price range as the S10 Plus. Then you could talk about it. And still, people are just gonna get the S10 Plus just because it doesn't make any sense. So I really don't know what Samsung was doing coming out with two variant and being Note is the flagship, like the top of the line. Like no other Samsung phone could touch it. They made it seem like, all right, we're gonna hit the other people that could afford the 950 with specs that almost alike and a little bit worse than the S10 Plus. It doesn't make any sense to me. They gotta tell. I hope somebody at Samsung can let me know what was their train of thought. They should have never came out with the Note 10. They should have just stuck with the Note 10 Plus. That's it. They should have just took the Note 10, the Plus of the Note 10 off, and just one of them. I don't see a lot of people going for the Note 10. I really don't. I think that was a waste of time for them, a waste of everything for them because it just doesn't make any sense. Why would I spend $950 for the Note 10 when I could get the S10 Plus for like probably like they're going right now for $750. You can even get it for $700, and you're getting way better, almost way better specs as them. Yeah, you could charge your phone a little bit faster than the Note 10, than the S10 Plus, but dollar sign, it doesn't make any sense. Me personally, I'm getting the Note 10. I already pre-ordered it. I can't wait to open it up. I'm probably gonna do a live stream of me opening up my Note 10. So stay tuned when the live stream comes through. So you let me know what you think about like what Samsung done with the Note 10. Why they wasted their time with that just doesn't make any sense. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Don't get it twisted. Like the little the little front camera in the middle. You could probably in some viewing, like if you're just doing YouTube, you might not be able to see it because it blends in, but it just doesn't make any sense. Let me know in the comment below what y'all think about this whole dilemma that Samsung has. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It means a lot to me. Also, if you have opportunity to share my videos so other people can know what Kartoon Review does, opinionated video, all that good stuff, please do. That mean a lot to me and my channel. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.